Modern web development sucks. Sure, we have amazing tools that solve every problem imaginable. But by the time you launch your app, you've already signed up for 20 different SaaS startups just to handle the basics: authentication, caching, cron jobs, serverless functions, analytics, and more. It's like paying a separate subscription just to breathe. And let's be honest, Next.js 2016 may have been the first domino in the subscription spiral. But what if I told you you could throw away all those tools and just use Postgres? Yes, Postgres, the relational database, can now handle 90% of your app's needs with a little creativity. Today, we'll explore 11 unorthodox and mind-blowing ways to use Postgres that will leave you wondering why you ever bothered with other services. So why Postgres over MySQL or SQLite? Because Postgres is more than a database. It supports advanced data types like JSON, arrays, key-value stores, and geometric types. It's extensible. Think of it like modding a video game. You can add insane features via extensions. Who says SQL can't handle unstructured data? Postgres supports binary JSON, JSONB, so you can store, query, and filter JSON objects natively. No need to switch to MongoDB. Forget managing Linux cron tabs or paying for a cron SaaS. With PG_Cron, you can schedule SQL jobs right inside Postgres, like auto-deleting data or daily aggregations. Think you need Redis for caching? Nope. With unlogged tables, you can set up a high-speed, in-memory cache right in Postgres, no WAL logging, better performance. Need AI embeddings for RAG, retrieval augmented generation, apps? Skip the expensive vector databases. PGVector adds a vector data type, so you can run similarity searches directly in SQL. Bonus, PGAI even lets you generate embeddings in SQL. Stop paying for Algolia or Elasticsearch. Postgres has tsvector and GIN indexes for full-text search, with typo tolerance and ranking, built-in and free. Want GraphQL but hate setting up servers? PGGraphQL turns Postgres into a GraphQL API automatically, no middlemen, no extra code. Dreaming of Firebase-like real-time sync? Electric SQL syncs your frontend and Postgres backend automatically, no WebSockets, no hassle. Perfect for real-time apps without Supabase. Skip Auth0 and build authentication directly in Postgres. Use PGCrypto to hash passwords securely. PGJWT to generate signed JWT tokens. Apply row-level security to ensure users only access their own data. Forget Google Analytics and BigQuery. PGMooncake transforms Postgres into a time series database with column store tables and DuckDB execution for fast analytics, perfect for storing and querying events data. Need an API but don't want to code it? PostgreST automatically generates a fully functional REST API from your Postgres schema, including filtering, pagination, and authentication. Just set it up and boom, your database is now an API. Some wild devs are storing HTML, CSS, and JS directly in Postgres and serving them as full-stack apps. People have even started experimenting with running React server components from Postgres, meaning your UI is in the database. If running Postgres sounds hard, Neon, today's sponsor, makes it serverless and easy. Free tier available. Branching for testing and production. Automatic scaling as your app grows. Neon makes Postgres not just powerful, but also developer-friendly. Grab a free database with Neon, link below, connect with VS Code via SQL tools, and you're off to the races. So there you have it. From cron jobs, caching, AI vectors, full-text search, GraphQL, real-time sync, authentication, analytics, all the way to API and UI, Postgres can do it all. Sure, just because you can doesn't mean you should, but if you're tired of paying a dozen SaaS subscriptions and want to own your stack, Postgres might be your secret weapon. If you found this helpful or mind-blowing, smash that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. White right pointing backhand index, which Postgres trick was your favorite? White right pointing backhand index, are you thinking of simplifying your stack? And if you want more cool AI tool recommendations to watch videos next. See you.